morning and a warm welcome to your students. In the last English lesson, we have learned activity time. Today, we are going to learn 3.3, that is, let's speak. Lesson 3.3, let's speak. Look at the pictures, listen and read aloud. Now children, these are the pictures. You have to look at the pictures and read the sentences. Yes. What is the first picture about? Yes, what do you see in this picture? Yes, very good. You can see a girl. Wow. And okay, you can see a bicycle also. Okay, very good. Now what is this girl doing here? Yes, she's sitting on a bicycle. Yes, okay, very good. The girl is riding a bicycle. A girl is riding a bicycle. This girl, she's riding a bicycle. Next, a boy is climbing a tree. Now this boy, he is trying to climb up the tree. Can you see the boy climbing the tree? Yes, a boy is climbing a tree. Next picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a lady sitting in a car. Okay. Yes. A woman, she is driving a car. A woman is driving a car. Children, read these sentences after me. A girl is riding a bicycle. A boy is climbing a tree. A woman is driving a car. Next, what is this man doing here? Yes, yes, very good. He has a iron in his hand. He is ironing the clothes. Even your mom, she irons your uniform when you come to school. Okay, you wear neat uniform to school, neat and clean uniform. So your mommy irons your uniform. So man is ironing clothes. A man is ironing clothes. What is this girl doing here? Yes, yes, she is skipping. Okay, so when you have your games period, okay, then you can also get the skipping ropes and you can also skip. This is very good exercise indeed. So here a girl is skipping a rope. This is called as a rope. So she is skipping a rope. Next, what is this man doing here? Yes, this is the tractor and he is driving a tractor. So a man is driving a tractor. Now what is this woman doing here? Yes, she is planting something. She is planting rice saplings, small rice plants. She is planting rice saplings. These small rice plants are also called as rice saplings. So a woman is planting rice saplings. Children, repeat these sentences after me. A man is ironing clothes. A girl is skipping a rope. A man is driving a tractor. A woman is planting rice saplings. Now children, I will also explain to you these words ironing, skipping, driving, planting. All these are action words. These are action words. These are also known as ing verbs because everywhere ing is put. Ironing, ing is there. Skipping, ing is there. So these words are action words. They are also known as ing verbs. Next, number 8. What is this boy doing here? Yes? Okay, this boy is sitting on a horse. Yes. A boy is riding a horse. A boy is riding a horse. Next picture. What is this girl doing here? What can you see in the picture? Yes, you can see a girl and a cow. So what is she doing here? Yes, she is feeding a cow. So a girl is feeding a cow. Children, read this after me. A boy is riding a horse. A girl is feeding a cow. Yes, even this feeding, riding, these are action words. These are verbs, ing verbs. Children, we have already learned the lesson. Now we are going to do the exercise based on this lesson. You have to take your English notebook, take a new page, write the name of the lesson, 3.3, let's speak, and then write the question. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. You have to look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. The first picture we have already learnt. A girl is dash a bicycle. Yes, what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is riding a bicycle. A girl is riding a bicycle. Number 2, a boy is dash a tree. What is this boy doing here? Yes? Wow, very good. A boy is climbing a tree. A boy is climbing a tree. Number 3, a woman is dash a car. What is she doing? She is riding a car or driving a car. Yes, the answer is very good. She is driving a car. A man is a man is dash clothes. What is he doing? A man is ironing clothes. Number 5, a girl is dash a rope. What is this girl doing? A girl is, yes, this is the rope. What is she doing? She is skipping a rope. A man is dash a tractor. Yes, a man is dash a tractor. He is riding a tractor, driving a tractor. Yes, what is the correct answer? Yes, very good. He is driving a tractor. Number 7, a woman is dash rice saplings. A woman is dash rice saplings. These are rice saplings. So what is she doing? She is, yes, who will tell me? Yes, very good. She is planting rice saplings. Number 8. A boy is dash a horse. A boy is sitting on a horse, and what is he doing? He is, yes, very good. He is riding a horse. A girl is dash a cow. This girl, she is dash. This is the cow and this is the girl. What is she doing? She is feeding a cow. A girl is feeding a cow. Number 10. A boy is dash an ice cream. Yes. What is this boy doing here? Yes, who will tell me what is this boy doing? Yes, very good. A boy is eating an ice cream. Next picture. A postman is dash at the door. What is the postman doing at the door? Yes. He is, yes, very good. He is knocking at the door. The postman is knocking at the door. Number 12. A dog is dash at the beggar. This is the beggar and the dog. Bow wow. What is that called as? Bow wow. Yes, very good. A dog is barking at the beggar. Children, write this in your English notebook. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.